Do you find yourself taking all day to wash your hair? Not anymore with the 1-800 Easy to Tangler. Also, this is not a real number. If you could not call this person, I don't know who this is, but please don't call this number. All right, bye. Good afternoon and welcome to Claire Hair. All right, we're going to be doing our wash day routine. Now, you guys see I have low porosity hair, which means that my hair, it's hard to get wet, and then it's also very long time drying. So right now I'm just letting my hair just run. Like, my hair was really dirty, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But this is just like pretty much warm water, and I'm just going through and just wetting my hair, making sure all the strands come through. And then once that's done, I'm going to come back, and then I'm just going to let the water run for a little bit, okay? Honestly, it's the rooster for me. I just don't understand. Anyways, but I'm just going in with my Garnier Fructis Seek and Shine. I definitely want to experiment with different shampoos this year. I'm just going in and just getting a ample size in there. Now, I know some people who wash their hair in twists because they're smarter than me. But I'm just washing it all at one time because I didn't want to stay under the water too long. Currently, right now in Florida, it is in the low 20s. So I did not want to get a head cold. So I didn't want to stay too long washing my hair. So I want to just get it over and done with. But I'm just going in, and what I was trying to show you guys earlier was the fact that don't scratch your hair. You're just lifting your cuticles up. You want to go ahead and rub it. I know some people who have I think it's like the scalp teaser or whatever, something like that. I think I might invest in that later on. I want to see if it actually makes a difference. But right now I'm just using old school phalanges. Just going through and just rubbing it through there, and just, oh, you don't understand how good it feels. I think I'm underselling it. But just going through, making sure it's foaming. You really want to focus on your roots, because I know some people, like, when they shampoo their hair. I'm just going in again so I guys can show you up close. I know some people, when they shampoo their hair, they shampoo the ends. I'm just like, your ends are the oldest part of your hair, and no one cares about them. I need for you to focus on the roots. I know it sounds crazy, but I want you to focus on the roots. But I just want to do an up close of my 4B hair. But yeah, I'm just going in, just being very thorough with it. I wanted to make sure all the gel, I think my biggest thing is, like, since I use so much gel with different hairstyles, I want to make sure it's all out of there, because sometimes it does get stuck on the root a little bit, nothing too bad. But I just want to go ahead and show you guys, it's really relaxing, by the way. So now I'm going to go in. If you saw my commercial earlier, I'm so crazy. I'm going in with my Easy to Tangler brush, and this is something that I can definitely recommend, because I know some people who use like a wide tooth comb, and I feel like the wide tooth comb doesn't separate, and like this one makes the curls actually go on point. But I feel like the wide tooth comb doesn't really, I don't know. I feel like the wide tooth comb doesn't really like get in between my curls. I know what I'm trying to say. I feel like this one, like, every curl is just like, hey, all y'all need to behave, okay? But I'll show you guys that there's like a little thing that you saw at the beginning. There's like a little bridge that comes on it that I took off because I need the room. But if your hair is shorter, definitely keep the bridge on so it won't like stretch like it is there. But I've been using this brush for a while now. It's definitely one of my closet staples. I haven't had to get a new one yet because it hasn't broken. But yeah, definitely, it's just, like, you ever just feel like you just had a bad day and you just want to wash your hair so you can just start anew? Like, it felt so good. But yeah, I'm just going in, making sure all the water is running off. And like I said, with low porosity hair, like, my hair is going to be wet for a while. I think it didn't finish drying to like the next day. But yeah, so I'm just showing you up close of, like, look what it's doing to my curls. It's managing them. So here, once again, ladies and gentlemen, do not use a towel to dry your hair. Definitely going with a cotton t-shirt. This one definitely keeps your hair from drying out, because think about a towel to me, a towel be scrubbing off the week for me. Like, it's like a rake. But yeah, just going with the t-shirt and get the majority of the moisture out, because I would still want it to be a little bit wet for me to be able to put something else. This is just my spray bottle, and here I have my aloe vera gel drink. I'll definitely post a picture of that. But I have my aloe vera gel drink there in there. And that's just going to give me that slip I need. Basically, slip means no breakage, usually when you get stuck. But I was just showing you guys up close how I use the brush. You want to go ahead and use your other hand, basically like match it up. You know, I'm trying to say, like, basically go through. But that's pretty much it. This was just me, just an extra step of detangling. Like, as you can see, like, my hair looks so bouncy and shiny. It needed that. I was playing around. So this is my As I Am classic conditioner. This is one of my favorite staples, one of my favorite brands to work with. I really feel like they got the formula. We can do it. Like, I feel like they got the formula on point. But I'm just showing you guys right there about going in with the Jamaican black castor oil. And I'm also going to go with my Roselle Cheva oil as well, that I've used in the past, that's been helping my growth come back. And then that is just raw extra virgin olive oil to seal in the ends. And I want you to know, if anybody ever does this for you got to go ahead and never let them go. Nothing feels better than someone greasing your scalp. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Nothing feels better. I feel like it should be like a love language. Grease the scalp, words of affirmation. But I'm pretty much just going in right here with the Chepe oil and just really moisturizing it in. And what's going to be good is that when I go ahead and put a dryer on it, that heat's going to be able to penetrate those oils even better. So that was after being moisturized. I'm just going in again. And like I said, like, this is the only snapback challenge I want to see you guys do. Let's see them curls bounce. But this is pretty much it. And I'm just going to go in with a twist. And then I really feel like it's just, like I said, I don't want you guys wasting y'all time in 2022. Okay, like, this was already this wasn't even 2 hours, baby. Like, I think putting the water and doing all that was like 10 minutes, and this was like dryer was like another 20 minutes, like less than 2 hours. Like, I don't want y'all wasting y'all time this year. It should never be a wash day. It should be like a wash morning, or I don't know, somewhere where you can still be able to have a life and play with your friends and go outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the shower cap on. I believe I put it on for like 40 minutes. Now, my overhead dryer did break, unfortunately, but I just went and just pretty much just went all around my hair. And then this is how much I shed, and I haven't washed my hair in almost 2 months. I just want you guys to just enjoy the end results.